Question 35 says, find the value of m if 13 base m plus 24 base m equals to 41 base m. So here we have 1 times m, since m is the base, plus 3 times m plus, this is power 0, power 1, then plus 2 times m plus 4 times m, power 0, power 1, equals to 4 times m plus 1 times m, power 0, power 1. So this is the same as m plus 3 times m power 0 is 1, this is plus 3. Then plus 2 times m, we have 2m. 4 times m power 0 is 4 times 1, which is 4, equals to 4m. Then plus 1 times 1, we have 1. So m plus 2m, we have 3m. Plus 3 plus 4, we have 7, equals to, this is 4m, then plus 1. If we come here, we can say 7. If this one cross here, we have minus 1, equals to 4m. This 3m, when it cross here, it becomes minus 3m. So 7 minus 1, we have 6, equals to 4m minus 3m, we have m. Therefore, we can say m equals to 6. If we look at our options, option C, we have m equals to 6. The answer is option C. Question 36 says, if 321 base 4 is divided by 23 base 4 and leaves a remainder r, what is the value of r? So here what we need to do, we have 3 times the base is 4 plus 2 times 4 plus 1 times 4 power 0 power 1 power 2, then divided by 2 times 4 plus 3 times 4 power 0 power 1. This is the same as 3 times 4 square, we have 16, plus 2 times 4 plus 1 times 1 divided by 2 times 4 plus 3 times 4 power 0 is 1. So this is the same as having 3 times 6, we have 48, plus 2 times 4, we have 8, plus 1 times 1, we have 1, divided by 2 times 4, we have 8, 3 times 1, we have 3. So this is the same as having 48 plus 8, we have 56, plus 1, we have 57. So this is 57 divided by 11. 57 divided by 11, we are going to have 5, remainder 2. So since we have 5, the remainder is 2. And if you look at this, it says find the remainder. So the remainder is 2. If we look at our option, option B is the answer. Question 37 says, find r if 6r7 base 8 is equal to 511 base 9. So here we have 6 times the base is 8 plus r times 8 plus 7 times 8 power 0 power 1 power 2 equals to 5 times 9 plus 1 times 9 plus 1 times 9 power 0 power 1 power 2. So this is the same as 6 times 8 square is 64 plus r times 8 plus 7 times 8 power 0 is 1 equals to 5 times 9 square is 81 plus 1 times 9 plus 1 times 9 power 0 is 1. So here we have 6 times 64, we have 384 plus 8r plus 7 times 1 is 7 equals to 5 times 81, we have 405 plus 1 times 9, we have 9 plus 1. So we add this one, we are going to have 384 plus 7, we have 391 plus 8r equals to, this is 415, 415. So 8r equals to 415. If this one cross here becomes minus 3 491. So 8r is now equals to 415 minus 391, we have 24. So r is the same as 24 divided by 8. 24 divided by 8, we have 3. If we look at our options, in option A we have 3. The answer is A. Question 38 says, find n if 3, 4 base n equals to 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 base 2. So here we have 3 times n, since n is the base, plus 4 times n, this is power 0, power 1, equals to 1 times 2, the base is 2, plus 0 times 2, plus 0 times 2, plus 1 times 2, plus 1 times 2. This power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have 3n plus 4 times n power 0 is 1, so we have 4 times 1, we have 4, equals to 1 times 2 power 4, we have 16, plus 0 times 2 power 3, we have 8, plus 0 times 2 power 2, we have 4, plus 1 times 2 power 1 is 2, plus 1 times 2 power 0 is 1. So we have 3n plus 4 equals to 16 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1. So here we have 3n plus 4 equals to 16 plus 2, 18 plus 1, 19 equals to 19. 3n equals to 19 if this one cross minus 4. So 3n equals to 15. Dividing both sides by 3, we have n equals to 15 by 3, we have 5. Therefore, n equals to 5. If we look at our option, in option D, we have 5. The answer is D. Question 39 says, find x if 132 base x equals to 70 base 8. So here we have 1 times x plus 3 times x plus 2 times x, power 0, power 1, power 2, equals to 7 times, the base is 8, so times 8 plus 0 times 8, this power 0, this power 1. So here 1 times x square, we have x square, plus 3 times x, we have 3x, plus x power 0 is 1, 2 times 1, we have 2, equals to 7 times 8, we have 56, plus 0 times 8 power 0 is 0. So here we can say x square plus 3x plus 2, if this one cross here, we have minus 56 equal to 0. We have x square plus 3x plus 2 minus 56, we have minus 54 equals to 0. So you see here, the number base have led us into quadratic equation. So one thing, we solve this one quadratically. So here we are going to have x squared plus 9x minus 6x minus 54 equal to 0. This is the same as x open bracket x give us x squared, then plus 9, then minus, this is 6 open bracket x, then plus 9 equal to 0. So we have a common factor here. We can say x minus 6, then x plus 9 equal to 0. So either x minus 6 equal to 0 or x plus 9 equal to 0. Therefore, x equals to, if this one cross here, we have positive 6, or x equals to, if this one cross here, we have minus 9. So if we look at our options, we have positive 6 here, x is equals to 6. The answer is option C. This question was asked in 2015. Question 40 says, if 314 base 10 minus 256 base 7 equals to 340 base x, find x. So here we have, this is the same as 314, since it is base 10, no need of converting it. We have 314 base 10, we say minus, this is the same as saying 2 times 7 plus 5 times 7 plus 6 times 7, this power 0, power 1, power 2 is equals to 3 times x plus 4 times x plus 0 times x, this power 0, power 1, power 2. This is the same as 314 minus, here we have 2 times 7 square, we have 49, then plus 5 times 7 plus 6 times 7 power 0 is 1. Is now equals to 3 times x square, we have 3x square, 4 times x we have plus 4x, this one 0 times x is 0. So this is the same as 314 minus 2 times 49 we have 98, so we have 98 plus 5 times 7 we have 35 plus 6 is equals to 3x square plus 4x. So this one we have 314 minus, if we add 98 plus 6, this 6 we have 104 plus 35 we have 139 equals to 3x square plus 4x. So 314 minus 139 we have 175. If we take it to that side it becomes negative, so we have 3x square plus 4x. Then if this one cross here we have minus 175 equals to 0. So this has now become a quadratic equation. So we solve this using quadratic equation. This is the same as 3x square plus, since this is 4x, we can make this as minus 21x plus 25x. Minus 21 plus 25 we have 4x. Then minus 175 equal to 0. So this one we have a common factor here, which is 3x. So this can now be 3x bracket open x. 3x times x we have 3x squared, then minus 7 here. 3x times 7 we have minus 21. Then we can say plus. Here we can have a factor of 25. This is the same as 25 bracket open x. 25 times x we have 25x. Then we say minus 7. 25 times 7 we have 175 equals to 0. So here we have a common factor, which is x minus 7. We can now say this is the same as x minus 7 in bracket open 3x, then plus 25 equals to 0. So it's either x minus 7 equals to 0 or 3x plus 25 equals to 0. So if we take this one to that side, we have x equal to 7 or x is now equals to that one to this side, we have minus 25 over 3. But this, since it is negative, a base cannot be a negative. So we can have our x equals to 7. If we look at our option, in option D we have x equals to 7. The answer is D.